All right, this is my second lesson for Hotel California Unplugged version by the Eagles. We're gonna start with the basic stuff on this one. We have a B minor chord. This is 9 with 7s, or you could do 4, 4, 3, 2. And it's basically just 4 beats of that. You could go to this F sharp here, 4, 3, 2, 2. But when you're over here, you could also go to this one, 8, 9, 7, 9, to get that F sharp. Okay, so we have two versions. We have B minor here, F sharp, and if we continue with that, we'd go to A, to E, and then we'll go G, D, then E minor this time, F sharp. Okay, so that's the main progression there. So B minor, F sharp, A to E major, G to D, and E minor, back to F sharp. Now if we come back up here, we have our B minor, then we can go to that 8, 9, 7, 9 for F sharp. Here we can hit an A, 7, 6, 5, 5. And we have E could be 6, 4, 5, 4. And these are all, like, we're gonna get into different kind of strums and picking and stuff, but 4 beats each for each of these. And here we can go to a G, 5, 4, 3, 3. And then a D is a 4, 2, 3, 2 here. And then E minor to F sharp. And if you wanted to end with a high one, this would be an E minor up here, 9, 9, 8, 7. And then you could do a F sharp 7 we did before, 8, 9, 7, 9. Okay, so that's our basic progression. B minor, F sharp, A to E, G to D, E minor to F sharp. And up here it's B minor, F sharp 7, A to E, and this is an E with a different bass. That's a G sharp bass. So technically that would be E slash G sharp. And then G to D with the F sharp. And then you can go E minor up here, F sharp 7 for that last chord. Okay, now there's some picking things we can do. We can go. You can kind of do that with each chord. So what I did is I went first one. See, I went 2 strings down and came back one. And then just hit that high one after that. So as a basic thing, then flip your chord. You could also kind of strum it like. Okay, so it's like down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, down. So 3, 4. And then flip to your F sharp 7, 3, 4. Go to this A, 3, 4. And then this E here, 3, 4. And then G, 3, 4. The D. We'll go up high to this E minor, 3, 4. To the F sharp 7. Now here's a Joe Walsh solo from this unplugged version. It's gonna go. Okay, so great little solo, kind of simple. I'm gonna start with the 3 on the second string, and then open to 2 on the first string, and then open, and then. So that's second string, 3, 5, 3, hammer on, pull off to the 2. So once again, we got the 3, open to 2 to open, hammer on, pull off to the 2, and then start on that one, and then 3 to 5, down to open, kind of a slide down, hit the open again, 2 to 3, to the 2 on the third string there. And we're going to hit that second fret again, so we had 2, 2 again, 5 to 7, quick slide on the second string, to the 3 there, and then 5, little 2, 3, and then that's 2, 3, 2, 0, 2. Okay, so whole solo again. We got 3, 4. So we have some fills that come in here. We have the 9 and the 7, the top 2. We have the 6 and 5 on the third and second strings. They go twice, hammer into the 7s, and then we go 8, 6. Okay, so it's 9, 7. And then we go 7, 6. Now 3 and 4 to 6 and 5. And then the lower is 6, 4. And then 5, 4. And then 2s. 2s to 4, 3, 4, 2 up here. You do a little fill there, and then we got, here's a cool ending. So this is big 2 with little opens, and then third to second string, and then 4, 2, open, open, 5, 4, open, open, and then 5 and 4. So it's, and then we go F sharp chord. Okay, so dum da dum dum da dum, and then we're gonna go into the chorus. So 4, 3, 4, 6, 7. So big 4, and then third string, 3, 4, 6, 7, and that starts your chorus, which is a G chord, and then goes to D, and then you go. So that's these 7s, and then 9, 7, 8. And then back, and then take those 2, slide them up 2, and then back, like that, so. And then we're F sharp. Then we have a little fill here. Open on the second string, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3 there. There's a G, and then we have, so we have a little fill, 10 to 9. Go down to the 8, 7. Down to the 7, 5s, little sliding double stops there. Then we have E minor, F sharp. So I'm going to have another one coming up soon. We're going to get into some Joe Walsh and Don Felder solos on the next one, like.